Hello all. As we are informed in LMS, we are a group of three members. Firstly, my name is Manoj. My teammates are Kiran N. Patil and Chaitanya Timmappa Nayak. And we are from Nagarjuna College of Engineering and Technology, pursuing fourth year of Electronics and Communication Engineering. We are very excited and enthusiastic to present our project which was assigned by MRC. The project was about washing machine stimulator using PICSIMLab with PIC16F877A board. Now let us move forward and look towards the requirements of the project. As we all know, embedded system is known as the combination of hardware and software to perform some specific tasks. Here C program, especially embedded C, is used for programming the project. Microcontroller and microprocessor are used as the hardware components. Those are inbuilt in the board PIC16F877A. As we are pursued our internship through online mode and our theme of the project also continued through online mode. Here we are used MPLab XIDE, PICSIMLab and XE8 compiler as a software installation for the project. Now let us move forward and look in detail about the requirements. Let me brief about some of the information about the C program which are gathered by our teammates. C programming is used in system software development, embedded system development, OS kernel development, firmware, middleware and driver development, file system development and many more. C is effectively used in various specific domains and it is a free formatted language and efficiency and portability. Number systems as decimal, octal, hexadecimal and binary. Data representation in bits, bytes and word. Integrated numbers are positive and negative. Data types are integral, that is char, int, floating, point, float and double. Operators, arrays, pointers, functions, strings, storage classes were used for an programming of C programming for the project. Now let us move or let us focus on the hardware side of the project. Microcontroller, which is the heart of the board. Microcontroller is an integrated circuit which is capable of being programmed to perform a specific task. All components are in single chip. It is less flexible, less design complexity. The things which are to be noted when choosing a microcontroller are based on its application, performance, price, availability of tools, special capabilities. Microprocessors. Microprocessors is a computer processor wherein the data processing logic and control is included on a single integrated circuit or a small number of integrated circuits. All separate components are more flexible, more design complexity. As I informed earlier, any combination of hardware and software which is intended to do a specific task can be called as an embedded system. Categories are standalone, real time, network, mobile, etc. Real time aspects are hard real time should meet its deadline life critical application. Firm real time similar to hard real time. Soft real time can have tolerance in meeting its deadlines. These are some of the tools which are installed for the project. MPLab XIDE, which is the IDE for the project stimulation. PICSIMLab, which is for the board, which has mentioned that PIC16F877A. XE8 compiler for the compilation of the code. Now let us look in detail about the MPLab XIDE. MPLab XIDE is an expandable, highly configurable software program that incorporates powerful tools to help you discover, configure, develop, debug, and qualify embedded design for the most of our microcontrollers and digital signal controllers. MPLAB support project management, editing, debugging, and programming of microchip, which is 8-bit, 16-bit, and 32-bit PIC microcontrollers. It only works on Microsoft Windows. MPLAB is a proprietary freeware integrated development environment for the development of embedded applications on PIC and TSPIC microcontrollers and is developed by PIC Microchip Technology. Pixim Lab is a real-time emulate of development boards with integrated MPLAB X debugger. For code editing and debugging, the same tools used for the real boards should be used with the Pixim Lab such as MPLAB X or Arduino IDE. XE8 compiler is a C compiler for microchip and MPLAB XIDE. The PIC16F877A features 256 bytes of EPROM data memory, self-programming, and LCD, two comparators, 8 channels of 10-bit analog to digital converter, two capture or compare or PWM function. The synchronous serial port can be configured as either 3-wire serial peripheral interface or 2-wire inter-integrated. The board consists of 40-pin PIC microcontroller designed using RISC architecture, manufactured by Microchip and used in embedded projects. It has 5 ports on it, starting from port A to port E. It has 3 timers in it, 2 of which are 8-bit timers, while one is of 16-bit timer. Physical representation of the board PIC16F877A is as shown in the presentation. The above slide represents the board architecture of the microcontroller PIC16F877A. The PIC16F877A board has two types of CLCD displays that are 16x2 and 16x4, used to display all ASCII characters and symbols. It has totally 16 interfacing lines. D0 to D7 are the data transfer line that controller can execute the instruction and data. These points consist of the data positions in the CLCDs. Tactile switches. In matrix keypad, we need to configure rows as output and columns as input. When designing pull-down interface, R1 is 10 times greater than R2. We use triggering methods such as edge trigger and level trigger. Suppress pulse detection while pressing or releasing the tactile switch is called bouncing effect. Matrix keypad used when the more number of users input is required and still wants to save the controller input lines. User rows and columns concept, most commonly used in telephones, digital lockers and calculators, many more. Tactile keyboard. A key switch is a tactile if it is has a bump on its response to finger pressure or at near the engagement point or where the key press register or before the key bottom out of the end of its travel. A keyboard is a tactile if it is made with the tactile switch keys. Steps followed during the washing machine stimulator project. Powering on the washing machine using key 5. Washing machine is powering on for some time. We use delay for that. Selecting the washing program using key 4. Selecting the water levels using key 4. Confirmation for the next process whether to start or stop. After the confirmation, the process starts. Process will be completed and pops out the message as the program completed. Let us power on the washing machine using key 5. We can view the powering on washing machine message, and we have to select the washing program such as daily, heavy,
stainless, eco cotton, whites. Let us select our washing program as whites using key 4. We have to long press the key 4 for selecting the required program. We can wait for some time. We have to select the water levels such as auto, low, medium, high, maximum. Let us go for the medium water level. As we long press the key 4, we can select the water level. After selecting water level, we have to press switch 5 to start and switch 6 to stop. We have to confirm that. Let us go for the stimulation. We can view the function already started. We try to open the door and message pops out as close the door. We can view that, and fan is also turned off. We can pause our program by using key 6, and we can restart using key 5. We can view that. After some time, the function wash will get converted to rinse. We are assigned like that. We are assigned the time for specific function in washing machine project. We can see that the wash function is changed to rinse after certain amount of time. Now we can see that rinse is also changed to spin after certain time. We can see that fan is also turning, or we can connect to the motor also. Once the time ends, the message will pop out as let us wait for. We can see that program completed, remove clothes, and we are back to washing program display.